see these two big badass KTM bikes here, and thought I'd stop and say hi. Like the helmet here. It's pretty windy today too. We just left Kanab on 89. We're going south towards Jacob Lake. I guess our destination today is the Vermillion Cliffs. What a pretty view. See if I can trip again. Yeah, it helps to stop every now and then when you're on some long day trips and you get to shake it out and rest your hands a little bit. This is the first video of the day. It's another beautiful day in southern Utah. The sky is amazingly blue. It's a little bit windy. It was chilly this morning. I think it got down in the 40s.
I'll hold your hand coming around if you need it.
It might help.
Just don't want you to slip. No slip, strips, or falls. It's where Desert Dog was camping the other day on his video, right? Kaibaya National Forest.
Yeah, and he stopped in Jacobs Lake, I think, because there was some storms, lightning storms from the
lightning storms
from the monsoon. We're still in the monsoon season.
Yeah. I mean, we're almost at Jacobs Lake, so nice little coincidence.
And they have a little bathroom. Wow. Look at this.
Yeah, expand.
That's pretty amazing.
Yeah. Scenic view to the right, big pull-out.
Okay.
Looks to be paved.
Cool. Oh man, look at this. This is...
Well, we get to. We're going to stop and look at it.
This is beautiful. Oh, wow, this is a nice place to stop.
Hells yeah.
Boy, I'm getting my practice in the gravel and rocks, aren't I?
Yeah.
Well, we're at the Vermillion Cliffs, right off the 89A. Found this awesome scenic overlook. Wow. How cool is this place? This is amazing. Wow, look at this. This is so cool. Pretty windy again. Dry. For some reason my helmet liner is making my head itch like crazy. Are you having problems with the map?
Huh?
Are you having problems with the map?
I'm just going to pull it the way I want it.
Oh, okay.
The wind doesn't make it easier, but...
Woohoo! And as he rides off into the sunset, or sunrise.
The Vermillion sunrise.
These are the Vermillion Cliffs.
Go west, young man. There's land o'plenty. Go make your fortune. Or get killed by Indians. One or the other.
miles later and we're still looking at Vermillion Cliffs and all this land and all the mesa in the distance. It just goes on and on and on. It's amazing.
Very lovely.
Is this a town?
I think it's a town called Hatch.
Wow. I
Yeah,
mean, it's
yeah.
so cool to live next to the Vermillion Cliffs. Look at that. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Might pull over there on the way back.
Everything's so red. Now I know why. I mean, yeah, makes sense that they called it the Vermillion Cliffs.
Well, yeah, possibly.
So we're still at, what, 5,000 feet?
We're dropping down a little. Haven't seen a 4,000 feet sign yet.
So we stopped in this cute little town of Marble Canyon after riding past all the Vermillion Cliffs. And you know me, I like to stop and talk to people, and I see these two big badass KTM bikes here, and thought I'd stop and say hi. And hello.
Hello, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing
Are
great.
you guys on a big motorcycle trip?
Yeah, not super big, but going from Santa Cruz down through part of the Arizona Backcountry Discovery route, and then today we're gonna hit the tail of that, and then start doing the Utah Backcountry Discovery route, and then
Nice.
hopefully-
It's actually called the Discovery Route?
Yeah, they're called BDRs, Backcountry Discovery routes.
Never heard of that. That's cool.
Yeah, most of the western states you can ride through most of the states off-road.
Uh-huh.
Um,
That's awesome.
yeah, and then you just dip out every couple hundred miles to fuel up.
Hello. Hi. And you guys have the perfect bike for that.
Yeah, these things are monsters. They're great off-road.
I see you have one of those one-piece suits. Do you stay cool in that?
Yeah, I mean, relatively cool. They're not certainly not as cool as like a full mesh suit.
Right, right.
But they're Gore-Tex, and so they're all weather. It's
Yeah.
nice because if you run into a rainstorm,
Yeah, I
or
was wondering
a
about
snowstorm,
that.
like we did last year, you can ride right through it.
So
which
you
is
guys
nice.
can camp anywhere.
Yeah, we this trip it's been exclusively just camping.
No,
Everything on
no
the bike.
side bags, just the big dry bags. here.
Yeah, the giant loop horseshoe,
Nice.
big dry bag on the back.
Nice. Very cool.
Yeah.
And how long have you been on the road so far?
This is this day 6? 5? I think it's
Nice.
day 6.
And you're
it's
going
just like a 2-week trip.
2-week trip. Well,
Yeah, so
that's
just kind of a big loop.
that's nothing to sneeze at.
Yeah, no, lucky to be able to get away for so long.
Very cool. Well, I just thought I'd stop and say hi
Yeah, absolutely.
and see what your journey was all about. If it was something like memorable, special, whatever.
Yeah, no, so far it's been pretty nice.
Very cool.
No complaints.
Well, it's nice to meet you.
Yeah, absolutely, you as well.
You guys,
Enjoy the rest of your journey.
you too. Ride safe.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, so we're in Marble Canyon. Found this nice little tree and some shade. And we're off to the
Navajo Bridge.
Navajo Bridge. Okay, let's go. Met a couple of nice guys on some big KTMs. And they're doing some backcountry riding. Here we go. Oh, there's
Might be-
Lee's Ferry.
Yeah, we'll hit that on the way back.
Did you?
Oh wow, Navajo Bridge is right here. Left turn.
Oh, well,
Left turn, left turn.
that's pretty close.
That's very close. And we'll have to go out and ride across the bridge and come back too.
Nice.
There
Yeah,
it is.
definitely. When Randy and I came through here, it was closed, I think.
Yeah, might have been after hours.
Oh, this is cool. Look at this. The Navajo Bridge. I'll pull up next to you. This is so cool because I really wanted to come back and visit this place.
Yeah.
Look at that green water down there. Wow, look at that.
You know, like you get a couple miles in though, it's like, what am I going to turn around? Like, what's the point? I might as well keep going. It was like,
I have no words. It's just amazing here. It's beautiful. There's